How about?
Let's see. At your bachelor, would you rather wear a veil or have a stripper? Stripper.
Oh, I thought I said slipper.
And who choose to spend the rest of their lives together. They're excited.
你好 everyone, it's me Brittany, aka 不然你要怎样？下次我跟你说，夏天我回去美国，因为这是我的弟弟的结婚，所以这个影片很特别，因为我想要跟你说到美国的结婚的事情。So the first thing that happens is the bride will have a bachelorette party. 这个是很特别，因为这是结束的 party. The bride believes that she should have one last hurrah. So my future sister-in-law wanted to go to a wake and bakery. This place has THC and CBD infused 饮料，然后饼干跟小的蛋糕。So we had a lot of fun. You can choose which level, and I think I made a mistake, and I did the second most. Oops. 好，第二个。女生跟男生见他们的好朋友跟他们的家人去别的 party， 那个 party 的名字是 wedding shower， 所以那个 wedding shower 的主题是 garden party、tea party， 所以每个人戴很大的帽子，很漂亮的衣服，然后我们吃很好吃的东西，很好吃的点心，然后我们做很好玩的游戏。每个人给 bride and groom 很大的礼物，所以我觉得这天很好玩，很特别。然后他们的家的外面很大，然后很漂亮。所以我们做很多照片，我觉得很特别，因为我觉得结婚天很好玩，可是很忙，所以在美国他们有很多次见家人、见好朋友、聊天，然后一起玩。这个活动很好玩，因为我们游戏，然后每个人有小的礼物，我们吃很好吃的食物，那个食物是小的三明治跟蛋糕，跟我们喝酒，那个酒是特别，因为是a little bit the same as tea. So it's a special cocktail that she created that had tea and alcohol inside. 他们有那个 party， 因为每个人应该带很大的礼物，给他们东西，他们可以用在他们的家。所以我们给我的弟弟 vacuum。The Roomba, which he talks about, the robot vacuum, is something special that he wanted. 他们很幸运，因为现在他们的家有每个东西他们应该用。I think this is something really special that Americans do because it allows them to have another way to see more family and more friends. Also, they get more presents, which is really nice for anyone who's getting married. You know, it's really expensive to move in together and to start a new life. So it's just a great way to be with friends and family, celebrate together, as well as get more things for your future. let me know in the comments, what is the best part about attending a wedding? For me, the best part of attending the wedding was just dancing with everyone, drinking, laughing, having fun. Another thing that's 真的不一样是我的弟弟跟他的太太他们集会那个装饰，所以那个装饰很特别，因为我的弟弟很爱 Pokemon 跟 Nintendo 跟 Cartoon， 所以每个桌子上面有很可爱的 Pokemon跟很特别的饼干，那个饼干是 Mario theme， 所以每个人可以拿饼干，那个饼干有他们的名字跟 the date. So we'll say the exact day that they got married. People can eat the cookies, and it's just a nice little gift to send them home with. In Taiwan, a lot of weddings I've been to, they will give you a gigantic thing of cookies. Some cookies are yummy, some 我觉得我的口味不一样，所以我觉得饼干应该甜甜。台湾的结婚的饼干，我觉得一点点甜，所以我的弟弟跟他的太太选很甜的饼干给每个人吃。
Smile, stop, smile, kiss people.
好，结束。So the wedding was really special. 我觉得真的不一样的台湾结婚，因为那个地方一样的农场，所以每个人去外面跳舞，在外面，他们说 I do 在外面。So everyone can just be outside, they can drink, because at the USA weddings there's tons of alcohol. They can dance, they can chat, you can laugh, and you can just be all together, which is really nice.
Who gives this woman to be married to this man? Dissipated. The Mad Hatter. Have I gone mad? Alice, I'm afraid so. You're entirely bonkers. But I'll tell you a secret. All the best people are.
Filled with so much emotion because I wasn't expecting to fall in love so fast. But sometimes someone comes into your life so unexpectedly, takes your heart by surprise, and changes your life forever.
Richard, joy and sorrow, and I promise my love.
"其实我的弟弟没有蛋糕，他们有冰淇淋，然后 macaroon， 好吃。
One high. Right foot now. Left foot now, y'all.
So, to recap, a few things that I feel are much different than Taiwanese weddings. Number one, definitely all the different celebrations. We don't just have, the big wedding day or the dinner. We have a bunch of events leading up to the special day. Number two, all the different decorations or themes. So as you can see from my brother's wedding, they had a lot of things that were not traditional. So on their tables, they had the Pokemon, they had the Mario cookies, as well as even my brother's bow tie was the Nintendo controller. Number three, the food. My brother, they had American style barbecue, macaroons, they had an ice cream truck. So definitely something that I've never seen at Taiwanese weddings. Just much different. And last, the gifts. They don't just get a red envelope, they also get a big present. Usually it's something for their home, so like a vacuum cleaner or brand new dishes or a knife set. So all things that they'll need to start their new life together. But nonetheless, no matter if you're Taiwanese 或是美国人, weddings are all about love. So here's a special wish and a special toast to 我的弟弟 and my new sister Amanda. 我爱你们，恭喜恭喜！谢谢你们看我的影片。Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. Bye bye, 再见。